Making the best of it. A guide to optimism and adaptability. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's not just a linguistic expression but a life philosophy. Make the best of it. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's a powerful mindset in both language learning and everyday life. So, let's get started and unravel the positivity hidden in these words. Make the best of it is an idiomatic expression that encourages optimism and resourcefulness in less than ideal situations. It means to accept a difficult or undesirable situation and deal with it in the best way possible, finding positive aspects or opportunities for growth. This phrase teaches resilience, urging us to look for the silver lining, no matter how hidden it may seem. To truly grasp the essence of make the best of it, let's look at some examples. Imagine you planned an outdoor event, and it starts raining unexpectedly. Instead of canceling, you decide to make the best of it by moving it indoors and having a cozy gathering. You're stuck at the airport due to a delayed flight. You can make the best of it by exploring the airport shops, trying new food, or catching up on reading. These scenarios show that while we can't control everything, we can control our reactions and find joy and opportunity in the unexpected. For English language learners, incorporating idiomatic expressions like make the best of it into your vocabulary can enhance fluency and cultural understanding. Here are some tips. Listen for it in movies, songs, and conversations to understand its nuances. Practice using it in your own sentences, especially when talking about overcoming challenges or adapting to new situations. Pair it with other expressions of optimism and adaptability, like, look on the bright side, or, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. In learning and in life, the ability to make the best of it is invaluable. It's not just about making peace with what we cannot change but about actively seeking ways to improve our situation and mindset. We hope this exploration of make the best of it inspires you to embrace challenges with optimism and creativity. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with ups and downs, and it's all about how we choose to navigate it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep making the best of every opportunity.